Hello YouTube audience, welcome back to my channel Active Riders, and this is your host Bimal. So it's a very beautiful Monday morning and I am heading to my office. So I don't know if you can see the time on the console. It's around 7:55. So this is a little problem with my RTR. It doesn't start at the morning. You can see the RPM is at, yeah. Okay, what happened, my boy? It's been 2 3 days that I have not driven my bike, so I don't know, maybe because of that it's been cold. So guys, it's you can see it's really beautiful morning and I'm heading to office. So I just thought let me do a Monday vlogging basically. and and bore you with some morning traffic. So basically, every morning in Bangalore, you may face some traffic. So this is one part of traffic where I am going, and yes, I'll be having some weird expressions from the audience also, who will be seeing me in and around. They'll be thinking what this guy is doing early morning with the camera and riding it up, but it's okay. So guys, as you all know, that Bajaj has launched um, Pulsar NS 160. Yeah, very soon I will be trying to get its walk around video and also the review video. But yes, in YouTube you already have seen the review video. So let me take some time and do it for you guys in a much better way if possible. And well, it looks the same, but the thing is that why not FI version? Why India gets only carb version, I don't know. Even the TVS 200, the RTR 200, still they have not launched the FI version. I don't know why. Why companies? Why no FI version in India? Why only carburetor? Still, even I am also riding a carb version. But still, I didn't had any choice. I wanted this bike, so I just went to carb version. But yeah, I'm hearing news that even FI version is coming in the market, and of RTR 200, and it is been available in some showrooms in Bangalore, but I don't know which showrooms. It's just rumors. So come back to Bajaj. So Bajaj has launched it NS 160, which is 160.3 cc engine, which turns out 15.3 or 15.5 bhp. Not sure exactly, but yeah, it's around 15.3 to 15.5 bhp. But still, yeah, needed some more power. Come on, Bajaj. You already have Pulsar 150. So if you're giving an NS as a street fighter, Why you do not increase the power? Well, it's okay. So let me know in the comment section below if you are really looking forward for NS 160. And apart from that, there are some rumors also that we may see very soon the new TVS Apache RTR 160. And the image is surfing on the net by the article was been posted by xbhp.com. I'm sharing the link below, and I'm also showing the images at the sideways. You can see it. It looks like it is coming first in 160. Basically 160 will be coming first. Seeing the seat, excuse me, seeing the seat allotment, and also there is no rear disc brake. So seeing that completely, I think we will be seeing first the 160 version in this new avatar. So let me know, guys, do you really are you waiting for Apache 160 or you're going for NS 160? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Well, I'm not mainly talking for a fanboy. It's like whichever commuter bike, it's like a street fight. It will be against the likes of FZ 2.0 and also Gixxer and also Hornet. So you know these categories basically. Well, I'm not taking Unicorn and other stuff because they are on commuter motorcycle part. But I think Hornet would be a better bet. Hornet would be a better contender for all these things because of its muscular tank and other stuff. And yeah, if you want to know, if you want to see the shootout of NS 160, Hornet, and other stuff, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to get that done. Or you can see Dino's World channel, he has done it. I'm putting his video also in the description below. As he did it first, so I'm putting his video down. And apart from that, it's a very lovely morning, yeah. I do not want to go to work, and I missed a ride yesterday. My friends had been to Nandi Hills, but I was unable to go there. Well, my bad. I had a work on Saturday. Well, that's not personal work basically, so not officially. So I was unable to go there. Well, but very soon I'll be planning for a ride. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for my Instagram channel and other stuff. I'm dropping a link below of my Instagram channel, Facebook, everything. So kindly, follow there also, so that you'll be getting regular updates. Maybe I am very, uh, you know, I can say right now I'm very lazy towards my, official work. I'm very lazy to put down this YouTube. But yeah, I'm planning to do these kind of short videos on my commuting to office or from home, something like that. So basically, I'll be talking about something what is going on in automotive world, discussing with you guys. Even you guys can comment below, and this can grow us more. How many times they'll close and open here? Shit. Roads are pathetic in Bangalore. Why? 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 Why government? Why? Really, trust me, roads are very pathetic in Korbangla area basically. I have not shown you, but if you see it, you will be really like entire road they have just teared it out. I do not say that they have just digged it out, they have just teared it out. Why? There is no proper communication. They just tear all the roads and no packaging later on. So it's unpacked roads. They have not yet put again tar or mud or whatever it is. That doesn't clean it up. They just leave it like this. Oh, this is very good hole. A savage hole. It's very windy. It's very nice. Hope I could bunk the office also as I used to do colleges in college, but cannot do it here. So the next thing, Ducati, yeah, Ducati 1299 Peligale R version has been launched in India, and even that's around 60 lakhs. Yeah, it's like more expensive, and it has 209 bhp. Oh, wow. The color has a little bit slightly changed. It has mixture of red, white, and green. The image is, I'll show you the image somewhere here. You can just see. Just posting. Well, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this bike also. Well, it has so many things to explain, and I do not remember what all it had exactly. I know that Ducati has their own safety systems which they add on it, but I don't know exact the list. But I'll be putting in the description below what all it had, and you guys can see that too. And apart from that, the other thing is that MV Agusta, yeah, MV Agusta, my favorite brand basically. I love their bikes. I don't know why. It's not only because of the looks or something like that, but when I saw them, um, maybe 6 7 months back, I saw F3. No, F4. Sorry, my mistake. MV Agusta F4 uh, in Nande Hills, and when he was riding it, the sound which it made, oh my god, it was so pleasing, and oh my god, see the traffic. Well, this is the daily commuting life in Bangalore. If you're working in some IT industry, then and basically if you're going to Bellandur, Marthalli, Whitefield from Korbangla or Marthalli or BTM layout, these areas, then you'll be crossing these roads, and you may see the slow moving traffic. And in this traffic, the only thing which I hate is my clutch. So hard sometimes. It is very hard for me to take an overtake sometimes in a straight gap. Well, hmm. So guys, you just so yeah, I was talking about MV Agusta, and yes, MV Agusta is going to launch its Naked Street Fighter Brutale 800, and it will be priced around 15 to 16 lakhs. Ek showroom Pune. Yeah, according to sources, it will be priced 15 to 16 lakhs. Ek showroom Pune. I'm late actually. If I would have left at 7:30, I would have not faced this traffic. I would have faced the traffic ahead. But it's okay. Let's see. Let me face this traffic and go. And the engine is 793 cc, if I'm not wrong. If I'm wrong, do let me know in the comment section below, guys. But I think I'm not wrong. 793, sorry, 793 cc, and it turns out 140 bhp. It's very, and this will be against the likes of Street Triple S, Triumph Street Triple S, and our new baby in the block, Kawasaki Z900. So let me know, guys, which bike do you like and you would like to go for it. And apart from that, you all know Kawasaki has launched Z1000 also in Indian market, which is very aggressively priced. It is 9.93 lakhs. I think it's around 10 lakhs basically, ex showroom. And I think due to GST benefits, it is all over India. It will be similar pricing. There won't be any ex showroom Delhi price or ex showroom Pune price. I don't know, but it should be similar everywhere, right? Because of the GST is common for everywhere now. That's it, guys. This is the everything what I have for this week and my Monday vlog. And I hope I'll be doing frequently my Monday vlogging, which will be on our chat on automotive uh, detail news. And what do you guys think? Even you let me know. And if I have forget anything for this week, do let me know. Maybe this news is of the last week, so let me know if I have forgot anything, and maybe I would be doing in another normal blogging session for this one also, which news I have missed it out, and I'll be adding in and sharing to you guys. You can see the traffic, guys. Oh my god, this is morning 8 o'clock, guys, and so traffic. Think about 10 o'clock. It will be really hard, guys. I'm telling you. If you are leaving your home by 10, you want to reach by here, keep at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours in hand, because this traffic is going to increase and increase and increase till lunch. After lunch, after like 11:30, 12, it doesn't have much traffic because everyone will be in their office, and it's okay. You see so many people goes to their office work. It will happen. This will jam. And I think Bangalore government is coming up with some metro line over here. I don't know if they are coming. If they are coming, then till the metro line clears, this is going to be double worst. If if they clear very soon, then it will be much benefitable. But even the connectivity should be a issue, because if someone is seeing very inside, someone is staying very inside, he will be having a issue to come through metro. That's it, guys, for today's blogging. I hope you like this. If you like this, hit the like button, and if you need me to improve on something, do let me know, and do let me know how the audio was, because there was a new setup for the audio than previously. So let me know on that also. And that's it, guys. Enjoy your day, enjoy your week. That's what I want to say, you guys. And safe ride. Well, I'll just figure it out how to get through this traffic and reach my office. Till then, enjoy. Have a safe ride. Bye bye, guys.